In the last video, what we have done is that we have learned about operators in C language. So in this video, we are going to use these operators, the specific comparison operators and logical operators, to make decision for our program. So let us go to our C file, and then what we're going to do is that let us just get here and then make a comment and say we are going to make decision using if else. So then say if else. So we've made our comment. So we are going to say, let us first create a variable. Say int age we say is equal to 13, and then we're going to say if age is equal to, say if age is equal to 60, we are going to print, because saying print f print, say we're going to say congrats, you are allowed to resign. And then we are going to say else we are going to say let's just copy this, print and let's say you are still young, go to work. All right, great. And then we have to close this here. So great. So now if we run, let us say if we build and run our program, what we are expecting is that we are expecting to when the code reaches here, it will check if the age is equal to 60. If the age is equal to 60, we are going to get this, congrats, you are allowed to resign. But if not, we are going to display this, you are still young, go to work. In our case, age is equal to 13. That means this one, it will fail, and this one, it will run. This code block, it will run. And then let us see this, say abort, and then we're going to come here and say build and run. So it say what I say, conflicting types of age. Oh, okay, we got a problem here. The reason we are getting this problem is because we have another place where we have age variable. So what we are going to do is that if we change the name here, let's put age. So this age, it is different from this one, because variable in C language, they are case sensitive. So this one is not the same as this one. So let us come here also and say age. Great. So now if we save this and come here and say build and run, So let's just wait for the results. There we go. There we go. So we have the results here which says you are still young, go to work. So great. So if we we can also come here and say else if. Let's put another condition, else if, so now you can put another condition here and say if h is if h it is less than if h is less than 20, and then this is the comparison, this is a comparison operator, and then let us also use a logical operator, this one. If we say h, if h it is less than 20 and h is it is greater than 12, we are going to print wow, you are a teenager. So great. So now let us save this, and then all right, we need to put this here, and then let us save this, and then let us build and run and see the results. What will be the result right now? There we go. So we see the result. It says wow, you are a teenager. So with else if, you can put many conditions as you want, you can put other conditions as you want. So another thing that like you should notice is that here after like is that here we see wow, you are a teenager. So we don't run this cause we don't run these code blocks anymore. So let us put another condition here just below here, and then we are going to say, let's copy this, and then we're going to say if h is equal to 16, you're going to say wow, you are also 16. So here let's just say continue, let's put continue here. So let's say save this, and then let us port, and then let us build and run. So all right, so let's just remove this here, then let's save this, build and run. There we go. So it says wow, you are a teenager. So if like we look here, so this code it is also true here. This condition it is also true, but this condition it will not run because the previous condition has been met. So after the condition it is true, the code, it will not continue to run all the other blocks. So that's how we can use if else to make the decision for our program. So in our next video we are going to continue to make the decision for our program using a different method. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.